Hello all and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chandramani Pandey and thank you very much for watching my other videos.
Enabling automatic updates for Microsoft 365 apps is a great way to ensure that your applications are always up to date with the latest release. This also helps keep your application free from vulnerabilities. However, many organizations prefer to control the version update of Microsoft 365 apps so that they can thoroughly test this before deploying them in the production environment. This approach helps avoiding production disturbance, similar to what we experienced in the past with the CrowdStrike breakdown. Controlling Microsoft 365 apps updates gives organization enough time for proper internal and pilot testing before rollout updates in the production environment. In today's video, I will show you how to control Microsoft 365 app versions update using Intune. In the last two videos, we discussed how to deploy Microsoft 365 apps using Intune. In part 2, we focused on managing updates from Microsoft 365 Office apps. If you are not sure how to deploy and manage these updates, I highly recommended checking out those videos first. Once you are done, come back and watch this video, and I will provide the link in the description section. As you can see that now I am on my Intune portal, and to control the Microsoft 365 app version we have to create a policy. So let me go to the devices, and under devices we have to click on the Windows, and then we have to click on the configuration. And here in the last video we already created a policy to manage the Microsoft 365 updates. We already created an internal test policy, production policies, and UAT policy. Let me first add a policy in the Office update configuration internal testing to control the app version. So to do this, let me click on this, and then we have to go down, and then we have to edit the configuration setting. Here we have to add the setting, and we have to search for Office, and within Office we have to select the Microsoft Office 2016 machine updates, and then we have to add a setting called target version. Exit from this setting picker, and then we have to expand the Microsoft Office 2016 machine policy, and from here we have to enable the target version, and here we have to provide the version on which we want to upgrade the device. So we have to go to the Microsoft documentation to check the update history, and we can see that for monthly enterprise channel this is the latest version. So let me copy this version and then go back to the Intune portal. Here we have to type 16.0 and then paste the version which we created. So now I want to upgrade all my machines on 16.0 17830.20210 version, and then we have to click on review and save, and then click on save. Now we have successfully created or updated a policy for Office update configuration internal testing to manage the update version for the internal devices. And to save the time, I have already updated the UAT policies. Go down and click on edit, expand the Microsoft Office 2016. We can see that I have added the target version, which is 11.0.17268.20206, and this is released on 13 August 2024, and I want to upgrade a machine from this version to this version. So if I go to the machine which I am going to use for the testing purpose, I will show you first some settings, and then I will update this version in the Intune portal, and I will show you what is the behavior when machine is getting this updated version policy. Now I am on my test machine, and if I open registry and go to the HKLM software policies, Microsoft Office 16.0 common and then Office update, we can see that the machine is getting a policy and machine update target version is already set to 16.0 17.628.20260. And if you open any office apps like Excel and open it and go to the file and click on more and then select account, and we can see that the machine is also on the 20260 click to run version. And if we click on update office and click on update now, it's going to do a check for update, and we can see that the latest version of Microsoft 365 and Office approved by your system admin is installed on your computer. Because we are controlling the version through Intune, that is why it is not scanning the latest version. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to update the channel version with the latest version and we'll see the behavior. So let me close this, and here I am going to update the latest version, which is 10.16.17830.20210. We can again verify this version. 17830.20210 is the latest version released on September 10, and click on save and click on save. Let's wait for some time to get this policy applied on the machine. And now after some time we can see that the machine is getting the policy and the update target version is set to the version which we deployed from the Intune. And now if we open the Excel and if we click on update now, it is going to upgrade the version from 20206 to the one which we deployed through Intune. But you might have a question in your mind how long it will take to automatically do a check for update. So to find this answer, we have to open a task scheduler. Let me open the task scheduler, and within the task scheduler we have to go to the Microsoft, and within Microsoft we have an folder called Office, and here we can see that we have multiple task scheduler created. The one is for the automatic update 2.0, and if we click on this we can see that the task ensure that your Microsoft Office installation can check for update. And if we click on the trigger, we can see that there are multiple triggers created for this task scheduler. One is at 3 a.m. every Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and another trigger is at log on of any user, and the third one is on ideal when computer is ideal. So it will trigger the task scheduler as per the condition, as per the trigger, but we are not going to do this, and we are going to do a trigger from update options. Let me click on update now, and now it's going to do a check for update, and we can see that it is now downloading the Microsoft 365 Office updates. At this time you can keep using Microsoft 365 and Office while this is going to do the things in the background. And now we can see that it's started applying the update, and it is asking us to close the Microsoft Excel and Word. Let me close this, and now it automatically close the application and applying the update. And now we can see that the update were installed, and now we can use the Office apps. And let me close this, and again if we go to the files and go to the more option and select the account option, we can see that the machine is updated with the latest version. And now if we click on the update option and do a check for update, it's again going to check for update, and then we can see that it's saying that you are up to date the latest version of Microsoft 365 and Office approved by your system admin is installed on your, and in this case the approved version is 17.830.20210, which is released in the month of September. So this way we can control the Office updates.
I hope this is an informative video for you. Thank you very much for watching this video.